If you're looking to get your first Shopify theme, or maybe you're looking to upgrade your theme, there's so many things to keep in mind. There's so many things that you can look for, so many things to choose from. So I wanted to make this quick video to kind of help you with the process, to help you understand what are some of the things that you can look for, how to choose the right theme for you and for your business, so you can make the right decisions moving forward. So there's a lot of places, first off, that you can actually get a Shopify theme from. You can get a theme from the Shopify theme store itself. You can use companies like Envato. You can get a theme off Etsy. So many places. For this example, we're going to look at three different locations here. The first one being the Shopify theme store. And the reason why this right here is the top choice is because these themes are they're proof by Shopify itself. So what that means is when a theme developer uploads this theme to Shopify, Shopify goes in and makes sure that the code is written properly, that everything is organized and built in a way that is clean and it's user friendly. So that way, when you actually purchase this theme, you don't run into a bunch of bugs and a bunch of issues, and then you have to go hire a developer to come fix these changes for you, and then you end up paying more than the original cost of the theme if you had just gotten a quality theme. So that's one reason why I actually recommend purchasing from the Shopify theme library itself and making sure that in general you get a premium theme, because even though the cost of the theme is higher than some of the other themes, um, when you're paying for something that's premium, the chances of you running into these different bugs or these different issues is decreased. So that's one thing that I would recommend when looking to actually purchase a theme. So if you're looking at the Shopify theme itself, there's so many that you can choose from. The first thing that I would recommend is look for one that is in line with the niche that you're in or the products that you sell. So if we're looking at just these themes here, we have a theme that's tailored to food and organic items. Then we have one that's tailored to healthcare, maybe makeup or something of that nature here. We have another theme tailored to clothing. We have another theme tailored to jewelry here, another one tailored to makeup or personal self-care, and another one tailored to clothing. So try to choose one that fits within your niche. Now, it doesn't mean that if you sell maybe shoes or you sell clothes, you can't use a jewelry theme. That's not what it means. But by choosing a theme that is in line with your niche, it's just going to help you get off the ground quickly. So that way you don't have to, restructure it too much. That this theme is already in line with your niche and what it is that you sell. So that'll be my first thing: is trying to find a theme that is in line with your niche. The next thing, once you do choose a theme, so for this example, let's look at the prestige theme. This is a popular theme among a lot of merchants. Is you want to go in and look at the images of the theme and see how it looks in real time. So if you come here, you can kind of see how the hero section of the theme looks like. You can scroll down. They have a little visualizer here of how the theme looks like. You also want to look and see some of the features of the theme. What does this theme have to offer in comparison to some of the other themes here? You go and you see, okay, the theme is great for editorial, physical story, visual storytelling. You again have the options to see some of the things that they're offering here. So you just want to make sure you have a really good idea of what it is that this theme is offering. What are the different use cases? Maybe what are the different sections, or what are the different templates in this theme? How can I customize this theme um, to really, tailor it to my store? You really want to look for a theme that has as many out of the box features as possible. So that way you can get up and running and really customize and tailor the store to create a theme that is in alignment with what it is that you sell. So taking a look as much as you can and seeing some of the images here to see, um, you know, even how this theme is used in real time. That's one thing I like about the Shopify theme store is they will show you actual live stores that are using this theme in real time. So that way you can get a sense of how your website is going to look with this theme. So we see two themes here, Mission Workshop and then Charles Simon. And as you scroll down, you can see how the Prestige theme is used in real time on their website. How the sections will fade in, the different layouts of the sections here. In this case, we have a wide image with the text on the right, and more than likely this section here would allow you to put the text maybe on the left, middle, and right. So just giving you an idea of how this theme looks in real time. We have our second example here, And as we scroll, we notice that this website already looks different from the other website, but it's still using the Prestige theme. So it gives you a sense of, again, how this theme is going to be used in real time here. And so as you take a look through the live website and you get a sense of how it's going to look on your storefront, and I like, for instance, this feature here. Now, this might not come with the Prestige theme, how it has these different identifiers here that you can click this and it can show you the different products that are used. Maybe this was custom built, maybe this is with the Prestige theme, but at least it gives you a sense of how this theme looks, how it acts, how it feels, and then how you can actually implement it with your own theme, so with your own store. So these are all things to keep in mind here. Now, again, one thing about the Shopify theme store is these themes are a little more premium. So you can see from what we see here, they're all $250 and up. Again, premium, that comes with a lot of out-of-the-box features to really help upgrade your store. Now, if this is a little bit high, there are some other places that you can get themes. So if we come to Envato, so if you just go and type in Theme Forest on Google and you come to themeforest.com, you can actually look. If you come to Theme Forest, you should go to where it says e-commerce here in the menu. Come to e-commerce and then come down to Shopify. You can actually find some Shopify themes here, which are a little more affordable here. Some great themes I've seen here as well. You can take a look again with the live previews, see some of the features they offer, read some of the reviews, and really understand what out-of-the-box features does this theme have that can help you with your store. Now, when you're looking at these themes, make sure that, of course, the theme is mobile friendly. So check to see the phone view as well as the desktop view. So if we come back here and click View Demo Store, I believe they do have a way to actually view it in mobile version. So that's something that you want to check as well. Most customers are shopping on phones, so you want to make sure that the theme that you purchase looks good on the phone as well as the desktop version. But again, some great affordable themes here. Make sure to take a look through, make sure that the theme matches what it is that you're looking for. Now, with the themes on a place like Theme Forest, one thing that I would also recommend is before you purchase the theme, make sure that you find the developer's contact information somewhere, whether it's an email or if they have a website or something of that nature. Because let's say you run into an issue in the future, there's a bug or maybe there's an update or there's something wrong with the theme and you want to reach out to the team that built the theme, make sure that you have that information so that you can reach out, because you don't want to buy a theme and then go and try to contact the company later on and then there's no contact information. So the best thing is to, before you purchase the theme, always make sure that you have their email somewhere, usually the support at whatever the company is, but just making sure that you have their email address. But again, when you're looking for a theme, make sure that you are looking for one that fits your needs, has all the different features and the different customizable features that you're looking for, a lot of different custom sections to really make your theme stand out. Now, a third place that you can get themes, and this is actually where we offer our themes. If you come here, come to our website, the link is down below, and you come to digital products. If you put digital products, there's a lot of digital products that we actually offer here. So you can come to our Etsy page and come to Shopify themes here. We have 6 themes that we currently offer. We have, sorry, not 6 themes. We have 4 themes that we offer, along with some custom sections here as well. Feel free to check them out as well. See if they could be of use for your brand, or they can help you get up and running with your brand here. But the main point here is when you're looking for a theme, make sure that it has a lot of different customizable features. Make sure that it's mobile friendly. Make sure that it's fast as well. You don't want a theme that's going to slow you down. You want a fast theme, a theme that looks good. So is the user interface, is it friendly? Does it look good? Is it visually appealing? And then of course one that matches your niche as well. One that allows you to customize as many things as possible without them being custom coded. So I hope this video gave you a good sense of how to choose a theme that works for you. Now, when you do choose a theme, or if you need help choosing a theme, please feel free to reach out. My information is down below. I'll be glad to help you either choose a theme that would work well for your brand and kind of do the research with you and see which theme is going to be the best fit for you. Or if you already have a theme that you'd like to either make upgrades or you need help installing it and setting it up, I'll be more than happy to help out with that as well. Once again, I hope this video was helpful. when looking at how to choose a theme. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.